Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As it is getting colder, today I'm going to show you guys how to cook tomato corn spare rib stew. This stew will definitely warm you up. So now let's start. We first need to use a pan to boil some water. Put the spare ribs into the pan while the water is still cold. Add 2 spoons of cooking wine. Cooking wine will help to make the meat smell better. When the water boils, take the ribs out from the pan. Now we need to prepare the vegetables. We need to cut some ginger, some tomatoes, some mushrooms, and some corn. Prepare a pot and add some cooking oil to it. Put the ginger into the pot. Add half of the tomatoes. Add half teaspoon of salt. Stir fry until the tomatoes become soft. Now we can add the ribs into the pot too. Add some water. Add the mushrooms. And add half teaspoon of sugar. Cover the pot and let it cook for half an hour. After half an hour, we can add the corn and the rest of the tomatoes into the pot. Cover it and let it cook for another 15 minutes. Chop some scallion and add onto the top. It is ready. This stew is so tasty and healthy. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.